Good morning all of you. Today we are going to solve the practice set 14 word problems. First one, Avinash traveled 42 kilometers 365 meters by bus, 12 kilometer 460 meter by car and walked 640 meters. How many kilometers did he travel altogether? Write your answer in the decimal fraction. Here the numbers are given in kilometers and meters. First we have to convert this into the decimal fraction. 42 kilometers. So kilometers you should write before the decimal point, like here 42 kilometer 365 meter is equal to 42 before the decimal point and 365 after the decimal point. And write here unit kilometer, not the meter. It is very important because we have converted this into kilometers. Distance traveled by car 12 kilometer 460 meter means 12.460 kilometer. Distance traveled by walking the meters only. This also we have to convert in kilometer. You know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. That's why we divide this 640 by 1000. And how to write in the decimal form we have learnt already. 3 zeros are there, so we have to place the decimal point before 3 digit, means 0.640 kilometers. Here also whole number is divided by 1000, that's why decimal point comes here. Same will happen here. So total distance traveled altogether is distance traveled by bus plus distance traveled by car, distance traveled by walking. Write these three numbers in addition form. In vertical arrangement, we can add the numbers and this is the answer. The total distance traveled by Avinash altogether is 55.465 kilometers. Only you have to write the numbers correctly for the addition. Second example, Ayesha bought 1.80 meter cloth for her salwar and 2.25 meter for her kurta. It is her. If the cloth cost 120 rupees per meter, how much must she pay to the shopkeeper? For that, first we should write the length of cloth for salwar is 1.80 meter. Length of cloth required for the kurta is 2.25 meter. So total length of cloth bought is the length of cloth for salwar plus cloth for kurta. Means these two numbers addition we have to do. 1.80 plus 2.25 meters. So here in vertical arrangement you can do the addition. The answer is 4.05 meters. So this much cloth is bought by Ayesha. Now the rate for the 1 meter of cloth is given, that is 120 rupees per meter. So amount paid to the shopkeeper is the total length of cloth bought multiplied by rate of the cloth. The total length just we have find 4.05 multiplied by 120. So after multiplication, ignore the decimal point and multiply it by the regular method of multiplication. And after decimal point, there are two digits, so you can place the decimal point here. Before this, two zeros. So 486 rupees 00 paise. So directly you can write here 486. Place a decimal point here and then directly here only. Understood it? Why here? Because in these two numbers after decimal point there are only 2 digits. So in answer also we have to place the decimal point before the 2 digits. Thus Aisha paid rupees 486 to the shopkeeper.